I need to send George all the invoices from last month so he can get our tools and advertising platforms paid by the end of the week. Okay, this is important business. I'm telling myself to remember so I don't forget to send it over to George. But what did I do here? In a few seconds, this task I just created for myself will be shown here in my Monday project. I've used a tool called VoiceNotes in my phone here, and you can use it too and get this automation done in a few minutes. You want to see how I did that? Let me take you in this small journey here. Our task is already created here. So let's get it. Let's get a few details from it. Oh, nice. It is here. And now let me show you how I did that. First of all, you need your Monday. I'm assuming you have your account already created. And afterwards, you will need your VoiceNotes account and your Zapier account. Every one of these 3 tools you can use for free. You might want to test them. And everything you need to do here in Zapier is to connect your VoiceNotes app to your Monday project here, to your Monday account. So how can you do that? I will show you in just a bit. Hey there, I'm Luisa from Conex, and we are an automations and integrations agency focused on streamlining automations and processes like the one you just saw. If you want to create anything like this or even complexer or harder, please don't forget to click on the link below in the description or even go into your browser and type in connex.digital/book/YT so you can get a free discovery call with one of our specialists. By clicking in book a call, you will be directed to our schedule so you can pick the best date and time to explain your idea and get it up and running in no time. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and, of course, like this information so you can get more of our content and tutorials in the future. And if you have any doubts, please just drop your comment in the box below. Now, let's get back to the automation. Great. As you can see, I have already created my workflow here, my Zap. And this is pretty simple, like 1, 2. It's not even 1, 2, 3. It's pretty simple. 1, 2. And the first step is for us to connect our VoiceNotes app to our Zapier. I will show you step by step here how to do that. It's pretty simple. And right now, I am assuming you have created your VoiceNotes account. If you haven't, please go to voicenotes.com or even create your new account. And you can also download the app in your App Store or Google Play and do it in your phone, okay? So let's get it done. I'll show you in a new Zap here. It takes a little bit. Okay, let's select the trigger. It's pretty simple. I'll show you here. VoiceNotes. Let's select it. Awesome. I will choose the trigger event, which is VoiceNote created. And I'm going to add my account here. As you can see, I've done this a few times and I have a few accounts already connected here. So if it is your first time doing this, all you need to do is click on connect a new account. So you will be prompted with this new window asking you about API key. But what is that? This is the key that allows your Zapier account to connect to your VoiceNotes account. If you don't have it, you can always, I'm closing this for just a minute. Let's go back to this window in a bit. And if you don't have it yet, you jump in your VoiceNotes page and click on settings, and then you scroll down to integrations, click on Zapier, and you have your API key to copy. Okay, I have it here. And right now, let's repeat this step where you will click and connect new account and you will paste your API key over here. Okay? Connecting my account here. And in a few seconds, it will be showing up here. Awesome. It's done. Now let me continue. Zapier is testing this trigger. Let's see what it will find out. I have already created a few recordings here. So it found record here. It takes the title, the data transcript. Awesome. This is working. Continue. And now the main feature here is to find our Monday app and to connect it to Zapier. So, okay, I found a Monday. Now, the next step is to create a new item. Okay, you have a huge range of actions you can choose from, but right now we keep it simple, creating a new item in a board, okay, in a project. Let's go to the next step, which is connecting our awesome project here to Zapier. As you can see, I have already done this before, but I will show you how to do it from scratch. If you connect, it can connect a new account. You will be asked for another API token. Where to find it? I'll close it for a second to show you where to find it in your Monday account. After you have logged in your Monday account, all you need to do is click right here in the right corner and go to Developers. You click in Developers and you'll be welcomed in the Developer Center, Monday Developer Center here. And all you need to do is click in My Access Tokens here, okay? We will be here, the information we need. Clicking Show, Copy, and by if you need to reset this for any reasons, you can always click in Regenerate, and it will give you another token that you can use in your automations. Okay, I'm copying this guy. I can hide it. Okay, no problem. Let's jump back to our Zapier screen, connect new account, and paste it. You can see the big orange button here is already available for us to click. Let's click it. And okay, our Monday account is already connected. Awesome. Let's go. Continue. And now I can find the important information, the setup information to configure this action inside my Monday.com board. Okay, let's choose the board first of all. I want to create a new task in my awesome project. If you have any specific group you want to add it, I've created, let me show you. If you want the main table view, I've created the inbound tasks. If you sort in your task like this, it will be easier for you to look at. But let's just see it. I like the Kanban view, so I'll keep it that way. But I'm sending it to inbound tasks. The item name, it will be the title that VoiceNotes generated using the transcription it just did. Okay, sending invoices to George. And if you want to create a sub item here, you can do it. Also, if you want to assign a person to this task, you can do it. I will assign myself. If you want to choose any status here, you can do it too. We'll use the working on it. And you can pick a date if you want to. It's not a mandatory information here, okay? You can also some extra information here. I will just here the data transcript part, so we can use the information here, okay? Testing this step. I don't recommend skipping the test because otherwise you won't know how the data is arriving in your new task, okay? Let me pick this one. Awesome, sending invoices to George. Cool. It is assigned to myself, the status, activity log, and everything else is just here, okay? And of course, I have the sub item here, which has the description that I've just created. Let me just show you in another view as we have here. So I can see the sub item here. You can, of course, use it. I was playing around with the data that we retrieved from VoiceNotes, but you can use it any way you'd like. Okay. So this is our Zap. If everything is working like you want, you can just hit publish and Bob's your uncle. You have your automation using VoiceNotes, sending information to your Monday.com project, and you can work around and customize it just the way you might want. Okay, that's it for today's tutorial. If you have any doubts, questions, or whatsoever, please drop those in the comments below. And Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video if you want to receive any of our future content here. And if you have any ideas, projects you'd like to discuss with us, please just go to connexdigital/book/YT and book a discovery call with one of our consultants. We'll be more than happy to help you get your ideas up and running. So see you next time. Bye.